I was going to start a carpet cleaning business in 2023, I would do this thing first. And if I was going to look at business strategies for marketing my carpet cleaning business, I would definitely implement this strategy. Let's get into the video. Hi, my name is Barry Livingstone, and yes, before you think I'm just some crazy marketer, I have been in the carpet cleaning industry for about 20 odd years, and I have to say it's one of the most fantastic ways to make money. So if you're looking to start a carpet cleaning business, if you're looking at videos to start a carpet cleaning business and find out if starting a carpet cleaning business is profitable, I have to say yes, it is. But there is one way that you can increase your marketing for your carpet cleaning business and double your revenue. Yes, that's correct. You can double your revenue for your carpet cleaning business without actually having to do any more extra work, without upselling, without trying to sell any more services. You could do the actual carpet cleaning services that you do on a daily basis, and you can double your income. Now stick around to the end of the video, because I'm going to show you a method that I have been using and a training course that will be really good for you as a carpet cleaning business owner if you're looking to start a carpet cleaning business in 2023, or if you're looking to increase your margins and your profit within your carpet cleaning business in 2023. This will be the course for you. So first of all, let's look at YouTube. If I was starting a carpet cleaning business, and I'm going to show you my old YouTube channels to show you exactly what I'm talking about, and just to show that I have been in the industry. So we'll go on to YouTube first of all, and we will look up my old YouTube channel for my business. Care. Almost forgot the name of my own business. There we go. Barry's Carpet Care. And we'll go back and I'll show you exactly how old this channel is. Although it's only got 29 subscribers, I was doing YouTube at a time where I wish I knew the traffic that you could get. The traffic that I was getting, as you can see, this channel was set up on the 5th of October 2010, and it has only had 19,000 views. But the way that I was targeting the traffic back in those days was to get carpet cleaning customers. And this is where I probably went wrong as a carpet cleaning business owner, because if I knew what I knew today, I would have made a lot more money with my carpet cleaning business. So let's look at some examples on how a carpet cleaning business can double, even triple their turnover on a monthly basis. The first company I'm going to look at is Mountain Rug Cleaning. They have 1.2 million subscribers. 1 million subscribers for their carpet cleaning YouTube channel. Now, they're not doing anything. As a carpet cleaning owner, you will know that rug cleaning is a very profitable business. The rug cleaning sector is worth more, in my eyes, than cleaning domestic carpets in houses. Now, if you look at these videos, one day ago, 40,000 views. 4 days ago, 97,000 views. Now you're going to say to me, how can this make you more money as a carpet cleaning business? How can this, as a marketing strategy, get you more work? It can get you more work in one of two ways. It can show customers that you know what you're doing, and they'll look at your service on a local basis to you, and you show them these videos, and when they're doing their market research and they want to pick a company, they'll look at these videos and go, yes, this is a company that, and they'll phone you. They'll just phone and book. It's as simple as that. So that's your number one carpet cleaning business strategy, is video. It should always be video marketing and showing your potential carpet cleaning business customer what you can actually do. So if you look at all these videos, there's one 342,000 views 2 weeks ago. This is a lot of views. 1.5 million views. A time-lapse video of the guy cleaning carpets. Now, as a business owner and being in the carpet cleaning industry, you know how satisfying it is to clean rugs, and you know how easy it is, and the money that is to be made as well. So we'll look at this channel, Mountain Mug Cleaning. We'll keep this, and we'll go to another channel, which is Change Cleaning Service. They have 194,000 subscribers, but they've had over 9 million views in the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, they've had 9 million views. So I'm going to show you another channel, Advanced Cleaning System. Now I love this guy. He's been on YouTube for a few years now, and he basically started his business and he was going out himself, and now he has a workforce. He has a team of cleaners with him, and as you can see, he's bought rug machines. You know, he has bought big and he spent big on his business. How would you like to do that with your carpet cleaning business? Get to a stage where a platform like YouTube can help fund your business and buy machinery that will make your business even more money. So let's look at this. Our next one is this one here, Change Cleaning Service Center. They've had 3.2 million views on YouTube, and all they're doing is cleaning rugs. You know, they're just doing what you do on a daily basis. So as a carpet cleaning business owner, should you not be doing this also? Now, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you a training course that will help you understand how to rank videos. 4.1 million views, 7 million views, 3 million views. Now you're saying, but how can I make money out of this? Let's jump over to Social Blade, and the first one that we're going to look at is Change Cleaning Service Center. Now, I'm in Spain, so it's going to show you in euros. They are making 13,900 euros a month extra income just from uploading their videos onto YouTube. That's how much money they're making on a monthly basis. They're making 166,000 euros a year estimated if they keep up the videos that they're doing. That's how much extra income they are making. So let's look at one of the big ones. Okay, so that was Change Cleaning Services that we looked at here. That was Cleaning Service Center. So look at this one, Mountain Rug Cleaning. Let's look at Mountain Rug Cleaning, and we'll look at this one, and we'll see exactly how much this carpet cleaning business is making extra on a monthly basis. Now remember, you're not having to upsell to your customers. You're not having to try and sell them more services. You are just doing what you do on a daily basis, and you're videoing it. This company is making 43,000 euros per month extra, and they're based in the UK. You know, and that's how they're making about £40,000 a month extra income just by videoing their content, you know, uploading it onto YouTube, people watching the videos. It is as simple as that. So if you found this video interesting, first of all, give it a thumbs up. If you want to find out more about how to do video marketing, click the first link that's in the description of this video, and I'll talk to you personally, and I'll see how we can help you, train you to do video marketing properly so that your videos get ranked and you get found on YouTube, and you can make extra money without actually having to spend any extra money on crazy marketing systems that don't work anymore, yellow pages, throw it out the window. You know, the internet is the way to go. If you're not doing video marketing for your carpet cleaning business, click the link that's in the description and we'll get you started as soon as possible.